with another gaming video. Today, I have the very awaited boxing match between Pewtercooter and Puppy45. Go ahead and introduce yourself, wussy.
Puppyman45, aka the better YouTuber here.
No. No.
Pewtercooter, the golden age is over. Time to let these new YouTubers flourish. You old fart.
You know, you're really starting to irritate me.
And
Without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Are you ready to meet God?
yeah, I've been prepared all my life for this moment.
Give me a countdown. On your mark.
3, 2, 1, go.
My game can't handle this.
You've seen it here, folks. The new YouTubers flourish
That's it. Cut the cameras.
as the old ones go to the past.
Oh, there's my video. Gaming video. Now today, we're gonna be meeting with my arch nemesis, Puppyman45, or should I say, Puppywussy45. What do you have to think about that, huh?
What's up, puppers? Today, Puppyman45 is fighting the cooter 2000.
That'll be the last thing you ever say in your puny little life, you piece of shit.
Or should I say, cooter 2000.
You know, it's funny you say that. I challenge you to a boxing match in real life, and you deny and insist that we do it in GM Construct. Pussy wussy 45. Where are you?
Oh, I'm waiting on atop the tallest tower.
Really?
Yes, really.
I forgot how to fly.
You have to hit V.
I don't need your help.
Pewter idiot 2000.
Well. Look who we have here.
So, we meet again.
At last.
Pewter.
You're lucky I don't shoot you dead right here.
Pewter stupid.
Puppy dumb.
That one kind of gets me. I'm getting irritated.
How do I get my fists out?
It's another. Step into the ring if you dare. Pewter wuss. Pewter wuss 2000.
You better stop calling me that.
Pewter numbskull.
Really?
Yeah, really.
You're fucking dead. You hear me? Dead!
You have to crouch.
I do what I want. I don't need your help, buddy.
Oh, that's your corner? Alright.
You're dead.
3, 2, 1, fight.
I have eliminated my enemy, for he is no more. His blood scattered around the arena. This is joy to my eyes. Well, I guess that concludes this Pewter. Oh no. Holy shit. I'm cutting my video off right when the nuke drops. That was funny as shit.
I hate Pewtercooter. And I have won. Atop a building of ash. Atop a building of ash, I've won.
Okay, we should actually have a boxing match.